Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and customize and reset your TikTok FYP. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first thing you would make sure is to update your app. Afterwards, you will simply go ahead, open up your app up. Then once you have got your app opened over there, what you're gonna do is, so your FYP, what is your FYP and how it functions is like whatever you watch, whatever you like, whatever your preference is, and your friends, whatever the videos that you added to your favorite, use your sounds on your FYP updates and changes and shows you the video on the basis of that. So let's say if you would like to recover, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead like the videos that you would prefer to see in the future first, and then the second of all, you'll make sure to use the kind of sounds as well. And if you go to your friends list, then you will be able to see your friends videos over here. So if you've been liking, then you will be able to, then there is a possibility you will be able to see when you come back to home page your friends who they follow and are in connection, those people's TikTok videos also gonna come over here in your FYP as well. So you'll have to make sure what you like, what you add to your favorite, and what kind of sounds you use. And afterwards, if you go to this search bar option given over here, you can simply go ahead, tap on the see more and clear all the search options. That way you will be clear your search history basically over there. That will TikTok will want to detect the kind of things you like, won't assume it, and you will get a refreshed one. So first option would be to change your likings according to your preferences. Second would be clearing your search options. Third would be simply clearing your data if you're comfortable with that from your device, and clearing your cache, and then again reinstalling, re-adding account, and you will have a total new customized FYP here in TikTok. This is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.